Hi everyone. I hope everyone is here who wants to listen how to optimize your click-through rate. Okay, so maybe for the start we talk about what we will do in this webinar. Our goal is to talk about click-through rates. We will talk about why it is important in online marketing, what affects it and how you can make it better, and we will also talk about relation between impressions and CTR. So yeah, by the end of this session you'll have some useful tips to improve your online traffic performance. Okay, so what is CTR? It stands for click-through rate, and it shows the percentage of people who click on your ad or link on SERP in Google compared to how many people saw it. It's important because it tells you if your SERP is working well and catching people's interest. And a high CTR means that more people are clicking and more visitors are going to your site. Impressions, on the other hand, are the number of times your SERP is shown to people. So it doesn't necessarily mean that your SERP was seen by the user, because if you have, like, for example, 10 results and user will see only top 3 because it's above default content, and you will be on the 10th position, it will still count as impression. So it's not like every impression is seen by the user, but it's a useful metric. And CTR is calculated by dividing this number of clicks, users' clicks, by the number of impressions, and then multiplying by 100 to get percentage. So CTR is in percentage. If you have a lot of impressions but a low CTR, it might mean that your SERP isn't interesting to people because they see it but they don't click it. If you have high CTR but not too many impressions, your SERP is doing a good job, but not enough people are seeing it. So yeah, the goal is to increase both the impressions and CTR to improve your organic traffic. Okay, so let's see how we can use Google Search Console to find those low performing web pages on our website. I have example here. It's this website we created some time ago, and yeah, you can see performance here, but right there you have a performance tab, and when you click it we will see more detailed data. Sometimes in some accounts it's under Google search results, something like that, and not under performance tab. You need to check on your account what it's called like. Okay, so we have here total clicks, total impressions, and what we want to do is go here, click pages, sort them by clicks, so we have higher clicks on the top, and click export to Google Sheets. Okay, let's try once again. Yeah, it doesn't work. Let me just of course, technical problems. Okay. I've signed out to the other account to do this webinar, and it seems I don't have access, but I can still show you here, I think. So this is this file which was exported. From there I have prepared this data, but I will show you how I get here. I need to reverse what I did before. Okay, so I will just select all and sort. Okay, so what do we have here is exported file, and it is sorted by clicks. So what I did before is just select 10 top results and color them green. Then next 10 results, color them orange, and the rest of the results are red. So they show us which has the most of clicks and the least amount of clicks. And right now we need to sort by impressions. So we will select impressions and sort by this column. Okay, so we have sorted it by impressions, and we have colored by rows by clicks. So right now on the top we have results which have high impressions rate and low CTR. We are looking for orange and red pages. These are pages which have low impressions to CTR ratio. Okay, so we have this web page on the top. It has 13 clicks, but over 7,000 impressions. CTR is 0.18%, so it's really low. Let's see how we can optimize it using Seodity. So right now the site is looking like this. It's article about diseases on fits. Okay, so let's take this URL and go to Seodity. We will go to AI content editor, and by clicking add article based on URL, we will type this URL, paste this URL here. Let's select preview article outline before generation, so we can see what outlines look like, and click generate article. Okay, so this is the part that you saw quite a few times in our webinars. Yeah, AI content editor is really great tool to do many tasks with content, with optimizing content, creating new content, also creating content based on your competitors. But as you can see here, you can also use it to optimize existing content which don't rank as good as they could rank. Okay, so we have quite a long outline here, but it is comparative to what we saw on the base article. So let's go ahead and generate this article. Okay, and right now it will generate the whole article, taking into account also the knowledge it has as a large language model. So it will augment it with a lot of new data. So this article should get better, and it should also rank better because it's optimized through GPT. Of course, it's not always like you have blog articles here. It could be like you can see here, right here we have just landing page, which is not performing very well. You could have like e-commerce site, and you could have some products which also have high impressions but low CTR, and you can do this in Seodity too. So if you create new article and you will choose based on URL, in advanced settings you could choose content type. So if it's landing page, you will be better off selecting landing page. If it's product description, select product description, and it will take content type into account and generate content based on this type. You could also choose other things like search intent, add branding, add country and language you want to write this article in. Yeah. Okay, it is still generating. We won't wait until the end of generation because it's not used here right now because we won't be deploying it. But I hope it shows you how you can do this yourself, how you can find these high impressions, low CTR web pages using Google Search Console, and how you can optimize them using Seodity. Okay, so are there any questions? Okay, I don't see any questions in the chat. Okay, so that's it. I think we'll wrap it up here. If you have some questions, please write it in the comments and we'll make sure to check them out and answer you. Thank you. Bye.